While doing my makeup, I'm gonna tell you something. I always wanted to study in South Korea. It was like in middle school. A lot of people didn't believe in me and they thought I'm crazy. But I did it. Through sweat, tears, and countless hours of dedication, I made it to the university of my dreams. And you know what made this possible? Believing in myself. So here I am, telling you, keep believing, keep working, and never give up. You've got this. This is my first day of uni, my dream one. Yeah, just your hand.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
It's not.
God, wait, just... I took a shortcut. My god, this is so scary. My god. Which way? This way. Wow. Why did I do this to myself? No. Never. I bought so many things. I'm back with a Daiso haul. I got a pencil case, some utensils. Do this. This is for spices, for school, for hair. Ruler for school. I like this one. It was so cheap. Bonjour. So this one as well. They said I can microwave it. Yeah. And a garbage bag. This to put those. Like this. Notebook for school. I bought the same, I think, in white. This is to cut food. And this is like a monthly planner. A container. Coffee. Coaster, hair thing, and knife because it's needed. This is an adapter, pencil. I needed one. I bought a tripod, a mirror, rice. It was discounted. Dish soap, like a bottle because I don't have one. A skillet to put my makeup. Yeah, I thought it's like the perfect one. And this. Oh no. This is for my underwear. Yeah. And this is for my makeup. This was cheap. I think it's $2. Plastic stuff. I needed this to wash the dishes. A pillow. I needed these for my clothes. This is to put my passport, and I find it like convenient to put my phone as well. This is zipper bags and a towel. That's it. I think all of this was 83,000 won. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything in its place and then we can talk after.